Hello everyone, I hope you all must be enjoying your evenings with a cup of coffee or tea in your hand. So let's begin this chit chat show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swadhi Sanga. Today on our guest list is somebody who started young with All India Radio and aspired to be a cricketer, but destiny pulled him into the field of acting. And boy, he started with a bap of all television channels, Doordarshan, first teleserial Hum Log. I hope you must have guessed by now, I'm talking about Abhinav Khan Chaturvedi, who was popularly known as Nanhi. So let's welcome him online and get to know more about his life and his interesting journey till now. Well, Mr. Abhinav is not there as of yet. I hope he must be joining with us soon and hope the Insta must have given him the notification that I'm already online. Hello, reporter Dheeraj. Hello, Tushar Gopli. How are you? I hope you doing good. Hello, Ashwin. Hello, Adams Genetics. Hello. We love Jennifer Wingate. Hello, Doraemon. Thanks for joining. Yes. Hello everyone. Hope you had a lovely evening. And I'm just waiting for Abhinavji to join so that we can start this chit chat thing, because there's a lot that we don't know about him. Like, he's also a master of ceremonies. Apart from that, he also has a lot of other talents which we don't know, but we definitely are very much interested. Yes, he's there. So I'm going to send him the invite. Hello. Yes, I am going to send you the invite, and I hope you'll be joining with us soon. So let me just send you the invite. Okay. Yes. Some issue, I don't know. Let me just see. Yes. Okay. Abhinav ji, I have sent you the invite. Please accept that invite so we can go live to this chat thing. Oh, you need to. Okay, the camera is on the other side. Yes, you got it.
Good evening, namaskar, Aisha. How are you?
Namaskar. I am very good. And आप कितना डर रहे थे because generally you are very new to Instagram and you do not have much experience going live. But आपके जितना experience किसी का भी नहीं हो सकता in terms of जो अभी तक जितना आपने काम किया है.
Thank you so much, Asha. Thank you so
Wow,
much
what a
for your
lovely
time.
background. Your background is so beautiful, bright.
मतलब background अच्छी है, हम लोग अच्छे नहीं है.
आप भी बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. आप एकदम
आपकी background भी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, आप भी बहुत अच्छी हैं.
एकदम जैसे
Thank
बोलते हैं आप
you so
एकदम
much.
जेंटलमैन बन के. Yeah, you're looking so dapper. जिसे मैं बोलती हूँ ना, you're looking pretty dapper.
Thank you, Asha. Thank you so much. God's been kind and gratitude for bringing me on this show, and
I
namaskar.
love that brooch, that fighter jet ka brooch jo which you are,
Yeah, this is the famous Rafale aircraft which is being presented
Oh, wow.
by the Indian Air Force, and the national
Okay.
flag always is on my jacket.
Yes. Yeah.
All the jackets always have that, because that's what we are
Great.
working for.
Yes.
That's the
Proud
country
Indian.
which we are
Yes.
working. We're very proud to be there. And thank you once again for inviting me on your show.
Thank you
I
for
know it's a very
joining. Thank you
popular
for
show.
coming on this live show.
It's
Okay,
an honor.
let's start this because I really want people to know about you because इतना कुछ है आपके बारे में जानने के लिए. Like आप सबसे पहले तो आपने अपनी जो जिसे बोलते हैं ना, I'm very sure आपका लॉकडाउन तो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा होगा because you are fully creative person and बहुत सारे आप काम करते रहते हैं. And first of all, एक तो मुझे आपको इसलिए भी thank you बोलना. You had a bad back a few days ago and still you managed to
That's all
do
right.
this interview. Yeah. So
No, I never take any pain here. It's like it can be anywhere in the system, but that's thanks to my cricket that I was always told by my coach, Vishnu Singh Bedi, and he said, keep the injury where it is not in the mind. So I keep getting this. I'm a very happening person. Something keeps happening to me all the time.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's all right. I mean, just it's in lighter vein I'm saying that, but I just try to either one should not make a commitment, or if they do so,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
one should simply honor the commitment. And I'm very happy that I'm with you
Definitely.
today.
Definitely. Same
So, I
here.
mean,
You
it
know,
doesn't matter.
we have that. Yeah, we share the happiness. You know, the same is with me. Like, you know, I'm also pretty happy to, you know, have you on my show. So let's start this show. And you know, what I want to ask is that, you know, you started as a child actor with All India Radio. You aspired to be a cricketer, and then went on to become an actor. तो आपकी जो जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई, सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए, आप चाइल्ड एक्टर में आपको कैसे, लाइक यू नो, हाउ यू वर स्पॉटेड, कैसे आप वहाँ गए, बिकॉज यू बिलोंग टू लाइक यू नो योर पेरेंट्स वर एजुकेशनिस्ट, जिसे बोलते हैं ना फैमिली ऑफ एजुकेशनिस्ट. तो यू नो कहाँ से आपकी जर्नी शुरू हुई और कैसे शुरू हुई?
See, actually, बहुत simple था. My father used to teach in modern school Barakhamba Road, and he joined the school in 1961. And हमारे neighbor होते थे Mr. Om Shukuri, a legendary actor. His wife was Sudha Shukuri, who played Ba in the serial called Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
Kyunki Saas Bhi, yes.
So they were our immediate neighbors, and immediate means there was not even a wall. So as a child, I used to see powerful rehearsals happening in this theatre group called Deshantar. And I was only 5 years of age, और बैठ के शाम को देखते थे इतनी भारी भारी voices वहाँ.
तो घर पे होती थी क्या रिहर्सल?
बिल्कुल घर पे शाम को स्कूल के बाद कैंपस में रहते थे, तो they used to have the rehearsal there, and as a child I used to go and sit down there. मैं बहुत शरारती था, बहुत मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा दुष्ट, और वो सारे पावरफुल वॉइसेस एक बच्चे के कान में आते थे, तो इससे गो एंड हियर कि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं क्या, और आके उसको इमिटेट करना, नकल उतारना. I had seen late Shashi Kapoor ji way back in 70s in his prime time. I had the privilege of meeting Mr. Mohan Rakesh, who was a great playwright. And so इतनी सारी surrounding में एक बच्चे को जब चीजें मिलती हैं, so you imbibe very early in life. So that's what exactly happened to me. And there was one play where they required a child artist, and so Binu uncle Mr. Om Shukuri went to my mother and said, "Bhabhi, एक play है, उसमें एक बच्चे का, छोटे बच्चे का रोल है, and उसमें एक आइसक्रीम खिलाना." Shriram Center was just made, and it was the first play, by the way, called Draupadi. And let's just imagine who played my mother there. There was this Sushma Seth ji who played my dadi in Hum Log. She played my mother in that first play in 1970.
And she also one of the veteran actresses. Amazing.
She is one of the best actresses, actor rather.
Actor.
From there, the whole flow started, and slowly I got because my father was very strict, my parents were very strict, and they said do something constructive in life. Don't waste your time, because if you waste your time in acquiring any skill, you will not go any further. So it just so happened that they said that plays करिए और आप theatre करना शुरू किया. And because my father was a renowned Hindi commentator, Abhay Chaturvedi, Abhay ji, and he took me to All India Radio, where I took my auditions, passed as a child artist, did plays. And then because the cricket nets were right in front of the house, the first thing which you opened was a cricket net. So my father was a national hockey player, and I took fascination to cricket, and I went on to play the captain the under-19 Delhi team for the C.K. Naidu Trophy. But the plays and everything, my old teacher, also no more, Srimati Uma Sahib, played a very big role, because she was from Three Arts Club. This is a very old club by Sri Ramesh Mehta ji. And my father used to do lighting in his in the theatre. In his spare time. Just to, you know, and because हम लोग हिंदी परिवार से हैं, तो हिंदी के नाटक करना लाजमी था. And so the journey started, and I mean, I used to do school plays, and they were all comedy.
You know, so basically आपने जैसे बताया था कि आपको जो रोल था हम लोग में, वो भी because you were a cricketer and they wanted a young cricketer for that show. You know, that's how you landed up that role. You know, तो वो जो आपका शो था, उसमें just tell about the experiences. You know, because वो पहला मतलब जिसे बोलते हैं ना दूरदर्शन जो कि बाप है सभी चैनल्स का, उसका पहला शो, एंड दैट टू लाइक सुपर डुपर हिट, लाइक यू नो आज भी लोग उसको, आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, इट हैज कंप्लीटेड 36 years, यू नो उसको कंप्लीट हुए हैं।
Yes.
और यस, तो यू नो टेल मी हाउ वाज वर्किंग विद ऑल द, यू नो जिसे बोलते हैं ना सब मजे हुए कलाकार थे, ऑल द थिएटर एक्टर्स, यू नो, और इतने अमेजिंग। आज भी देर आर पीपल, यू नो उसके बहुत सारे आपके जो को एक्टर्स हैं वो बहुत सारे फिल्मों में काम कर रहे हैं। सो हाउ वाज दैट, यू नो दैट टाइम वर्किंग विद दोज ग्रेट एक्टर्स?
Oh, it's a very good question, very interesting one too, because Asha, you've taken me back into time. And, it so happened that I was playing cricket. And my father, because I had done all India radio and I was doing regular theatre, so my father said, why don't you go and try for television? So मैं गया अपना audition देने के लिए, हम लोग से 2 साल पहले की बात, 2 years prior to हम लोग.
Okay.
And I got rejected from there.
Oh, okay.
So, very young, very rebel child.
Yeah.
Very angry, very angry.
Okay.
So I said, मैं दोबारा नहीं जाऊँगा यार. So I was concentrating my cricket, and I had done a Cadbury's Eclairs ad for O&M. They'd come to our fair. That was also a very interesting experience. That we were playing a match, and we did not know some film crew had come, and I was supposed to bowl, and it was a very interesting ad. So अगर advertisement के लिए अगर शक्ल ठीक नहीं है तो they will obviously not select you as a model. You are a model yourself, so you know it better. Who knows it better than you?
Yeah.
But what happened was that आवाज भी ठीक ठाक ही है, तो वो रिजेक्ट हो गया. तो मैं क्रिकेट खेलने चला गया. मैंने Manosham Joshi ji, he's no more with us, and he was writing and striving for Hum Log, and his son Anupam Joshi, who's presently a very big professor in America, and he said कि आप जो ये सब देखते हैं लिख रहे हैं, ये तो हमारे स्कूल में चलता फिरता कैरेक्टर है. वो क्रिकेटर है, वो मिमिक्री आर्टिस्ट है, गाता है. तो
you just given me hints,
हाँ, मैं ठीक ठाक गा लेता हूँ, ठीक ठाक गा लेता हूँ. You have to bear with me. So will the audience have to bear with me.
Yeah.
So we will keep it as entertaining for our viewers as much as you do.
Yeah.
So just telling you a short story, very brief, because I know that you have positive time at hand. So he said, उन्होंने मिस्टर सतीश गर्ग जो दूरदर्शन में काम करते हैं उनको कांटेक्ट किया कि आपका बेटा है, उनको बुलाइए. तो माय फादर केम टू मी एंड सेड कि तुम जाओ ऑडिशन देने के. मैंने कहा मैं नहीं जाता. मैंने कहा मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया है. मैंने कहा मैंने अभी कुछ काम नहीं किया है, मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ, इतने दिन से मैंने कोई प्रोफेशनल प्ले नहीं किया है. एंड और फिर मुझे रिजेक्ट कर देंगे तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो माय फादर सेड क्या होगा सर, एक बार और रिजेक्ट हो जाओगे. Now that struck me. I said, क्या हो, worst case scenario, एक बार फिर रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. भाई दूरदर्शन में रिजेक्ट हो गए, अब एक बार फिर हो जाएंगे. तो P. Kumar Vasudev ji was the director, and Manosham Joshi ji was sitting there, and they said, आप मिमिक्री करके कुछ बताइए अगर आप. तो I went, they were Dev Saab style, and said, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है, सीखने में लड़का बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन हम आपको बता देते हैं कि हम उतने भी बुरे नहीं हैं जितना कि आप हमको समझते हो.
Okay.
So on that basis I just took off, and while singing he said कुछ गा सकते हैं. मैंने कहा हाँ चलिए शुरू कर देते हैं. He said who's your famous favorite singer? I said किशोर दा. So चलिए आप कुछ किशोर दा करना. And it was happening simultaneously, nothing prepared. And he said आप कोई भी गाना सुना लीजिए. So I said, okay. जीवन के सफर में राही मिलते हैं बिछड़ जाने को, और दे जाते हैं यादें तन्हाई में तड़पाने को. ये रूप की दौलत वाले कब सुनते हैं दिल के नाले, तकदीर न बस में डाले इनके किसी दीवाने को. So it just happened that, and before we could realize, thank you so much, Amanda. It just was happening like that.
You have lovely voice. Yes.
And thank you so much. So it just so happened that बात हुई तो अब ये होता है कोई सीरियल बन रहा है. So उस टाइम में दूरदर्शन में ड्रामा प्लेस होते थे, and an A grade artist would get about 250 rupees after 14 days of rehearsal, including Sri Raj Babarji. You know, that level.
Okay.
So I said, I did my audition because my father said yes. I had to do it, and I could not refuse my father because मैं उनका अंधभक्त था. वो जो कह रहे थे वो final था. I used to just simply submit. I used to be very scared of my father, and he was a very successful teacher and a professor. And it just so happened that I got selected, and there was a little bet between my chacha, who was also no more, and my father was also no more. And there was a bet, how much are you going to be paid for it? So I said, $250. An A grade artist of Doordarshan is getting, मुझे कितना पैसा मिलेगा? मुझे अच्छा जितना मिलेगा उसका जितना 250 रुपीज है तो वो तो मैं कवर करता हूँ, तो ऐसे बहुत सेफ है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ये तो मिल जाएगा. बोले इसके जितना ऊपर होगा मुझको दे दे. So we were paid twice the amount eventually.
Wow.
And I never paid my chacha back.
That time 500 rupees, you know. Wow.
So I was in my second year of college, the St. Stephen's College, where I went to do my graduation in history. Eventually I did my post-graduation in history from the St. Stephen's College. And I was in my second year.
Like, you know, when you were working with all those actors, how was it? Like, you know, कैसे आप, were you in awe of those actors? या ऐसे लगता कि नहीं ठीक है, मैं भी तो कर ही लेता हूँ. You know, क्या reaction? Because generally you were not an actor. You didn't inspire to also become an actor. But, you know, you were facing the cameras with all those people who have done this. You know, मतलब जिन्होंने पहले किया हुआ, जो मजे हुए जिसे बोलते हैं ना, खिलाड़ी थे अपने उसके. So how was
it? Camera was never an issue with me, Asha, because I had already done children's program with Doordarshan. I had already done Kishore Manch, and Vinod Duaji used to do.
No, what I'm saying is with those actors, not the camera. I'm not talking about the camera.
You know, we were all, see, Loveleen Chutki, Loveleen Mishra, Divya Sushmaji's daughter. We were all youngsters. We were in second year of college, about 21 years of age. And here were these people who were detained, like Mr. Vinod Nagpal, who also is a modern actor.
Like, you know,
Masti is an understatement. Like because the script, the script was so powerful, and the character was such that, you know, this guy is a happy-go-lucky guy who says, no problem, leave it to Nanne, and he was, you know, the kind of spark in the family which was trying to find itself in Delhi. And playing the first romantic lead in the film, I mean the serial, the first soap opera, Hum Log, with Kamya, who's also from my school, my junior. So, you know, to play the romantic lead, most of the people thought I would get married to Kamya finally. And we used to laugh at it. We used to laugh at it. And there's so much amount of fun because we used to learn from our seniors. There was an environment of actual theatre rehearsal. We used to do our scripts, we used to do our line rehearsal. Mr. M.S. Sodhi, who was the chief assistant director, Sodhi Saab was to grill us. ये लाइनें याद करनी, कहीं घूमने नहीं जाना, बाहर नहीं जाना. So we used to have a very disciplined rehearsal, and then the entire team used to do their lines.
Stardom, because you know, उस टाइम पे जो मतलब मैं आज ये मानती हूँ कि उस टाइम पे जो दूरदर्शन था वो शायद आज जो 100 करोड़ की फिल्में होती हैं या 200 करोड़ की फिल्में, उस लेवल का दूरदर्शन हुआ करता था. एंड यू वर पॉपुलरली नोन एज, यू नो, नन्हे, जो आज भी आप उसी नाम से जाने जाते हैं. कई लोग आपको उसी नाम से जानते हैं. तो वो आप जब बाहर निकलते थे तो क्या एक एक्सपीरियंस होता था, क्या लोग कैसे रिएक्ट करते थे? यू नो, दे यूज्ड टू, बिकॉज यू आर यंगस्टर, तो बहुत सारे आपको खत भी आते होंगे. You know, many girls, you would be, you know, writing romantic letters, you know, sending you like, you know, all those wishes. मतलब तब तो चिट्ठियाँ लिखते होते हैं, मतलब चिट्ठियों में लिख के आपको love letters आते होंगे, and you know, all those things.
वो आज भी आते हैं letters. मेरा Facebook पूरा भरा पड़ा है, 5,000 plus. देखिए ऐसा है, if they at that time it was something very interesting because we never thought it's going to become such a big super hit.
Yeah.
We went as a normal part. It's only after the 12th episode when Rajesh Puri Lallu, Rajesh Bhaiya goes on for his interview to become an IS officer. That's when we realized when we went to Palika Bazaar for the first time, like Seema Didi, Seema Bhargav, Divya, me, Lavleen, and Rajesh Bhai went just for a stroll, and suddenly we were like thronged by people. We realized it was kya ho gaya life mein. And before we could realize, it was too late. And though I never endorse stardom, we think we should become only actors. And my father, Asha, I'd like to share with all your viewers here who are watching this. And my father got that very early. He was a very popular teacher. And he told me at the age of 21 that, look, you're a cricketer, keep your head down and play. And also be like a kite flyer. Never allow success or failure either to go to your head. And which is
he always kept
me. That reminder is like a gospel. It's like here saying that आपको किसी ने बांध दिया और धागे से कि follow that.
That
simple,
is actually all
rule.
about parenting.
Just be an actor.
Right. If you have great parents, and parenting skills, जिसको बोलते हैं, like these are the things that always the gratitude thing, because you always have this thing, you are very down to earth. You have those things to say, sorry, thank you, and do not have any airs. That speaks a lot about your parents. How they actually kept you grounded, how they never generally.
And actually, I think above all that, what my parents also taught me that I had the best of friends and girls throughout my school life. But respect for women is primary before you can actually go into explain anything else. You may have your crushes, you may have your affairs, but the respect for women is paramount. And if you see my career graph, if you see my career graph,
that's what I'm saying.
There was no indulgence at all.
If we talk about your career graph in full, then ये episode तो बहुत छोटा है उसके लिए, just 1/10 होगा. But we will just take out little bit of what I get to know from you itself. Like you told me that your classmate from 1st to 12th was like Dinky, who is also known as Sara Ali Khan's mother. And so how did you actually get to meet, like when she became a film star and all? कभी आपकी बात होती थी और कभी आप कभी ऐसा हुआ you get along जैसे friends होते हैं या all those things, and you also used to play hockey with Shah Rukh Khan. So ये सब चीजें बहुत interesting हैं. So what about
I was
that?
lucky. I mean, because I was a sportsman first, and so it's been whether it was my television career, I went to do Bunyad subsequently with the legendary director Mr. Ramesh Sippy, who made Sholay, and he's my university of learning films and television, because we went from a different environment of a 3-camera setup, 5-camera setup in Hamlo to a single camera setup, and that was my first ever visit to Mumbai. I'd never been to the place before, and even there. The role which I was assigned was also authored by Mr. Manoj Shamji. And even in that process, Rameshji asked me that would you be able to stay in Mumbai? Would you be able to struggle? And he made me wait for my first shot for 4 days. 4 days with makeup.
अच्छा, ऐसा क्यों?
4 दिन मेकअप लगा के 7 बजे की शिफ्ट है, रात के 10 बजे, 4 days. So 4th day when I went up to him in the night, I said, sir, अरे आप अभी तक यहीं, आपका शॉट अच्छा कल करते. So he was just telling me, basically he was trying to test my patience. And I said, sir, you caught a wrong person, because I am a cricketer. If I have to bat after Sachin Tendulkar, then I have to wait for his 200 runs, and then I have to be ready with my gear and then go and do my runs.
Right.
So, patience is the key word in life, irrespective of, and I have this very beautiful tarot card which has been given to me by my guru called Patience.
Okay, lovely.
This is a card which I want to share with you. If you are having a patience of you have to cultivate that patience. If it's not working today, it's going to work out tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
That's very
even
true.
while
So, because we are basically, we will be running short of time. I have some questions regarding your childhood also. As you said, you were a very naughty child, and you did a lot of
naughty,
mischief.
very, very naughty.
Yeah, so naughty is the understatement for you. So, we want to know
अभी भी बहुत
those.
naughty है.
So we want to know all those, दो तीन अगर आप किससे, शेयर करना चाहें, और just one, something which always, you feel कि हाँ, इसने मुझे बहुत हंसाया भी है,
हाँ,
हंसाया भी है.
बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं. मेरी माँ मुझे बचपन में दुष्ट राज बोलती थी. एक महा उपाधि दी गई थी when I was a
Okay.
toddler.
Okay.
वो
Why?
मेरी दादी she was illiterate. So my grandfather was head of the mathematics department in Agra University, and my grandmother was an absolute illiterate lady.
Okay.
So I was the only child of my parents, and I have no brothers, no sisters, and so did my chacha.
Yeah.
तो दादी के मंदिर में वो शालिग्राम भगवान होते हैं. तो मुझे क्या पता शालिग्राम भगवान कौन होते हैं, छोटा बच्चा. मेरे को प्लास्टिक की एक हॉकी होती थी. तो मैं दादी के मंदिर से वो निकाल के उससे हॉकी खेलता रहा.
Oh my God.
अब वो मैं दादी यूज्ड टू स्क्रीम के देखो भैया क्या कर रहा है, देखो ये भैया हमारे शालिग्राम ले गए. अरे वो शालिग्राम जी आपके हैं, हमको क्या पता, हमको तो बॉल नजर आ रही है. मैं हॉकी खेलता था. और एक मेरी मदर के पास एक छोटी सी मुड़िया होती थी. ठीक, कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑब्वियसली अ टीचर्स बैकग्राउंड. सो घरों के अंदर बहुत मिडिल क्लास, लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से हम लोग आते हैं और अभी भी वैसा ही जीवन जीते हैं. तो एक मुड़िया होती थी, उसके अंदर एक होल था. और मेरा फेवरेट पास टाइम क्या था, घर में से सारी चीजें उठानी और उसके अंदर डाल देनी. तो एनीथिंग दैट वाज मिसिंग इन द हाउस, अम्मा वुड फाइंड, माय मदर स्टिल वही पे मिली. और एक बार झूठ बोला था, तो मेरे फादर ने मेरे यहाँ पे जबान पे लिटरली कोयला रख दिया था, अंगीठी में से निकाल कर. तो जमाने में अंगीठियां हुआ करती थी. अगर अगली बार झूठ बोला तो ये जबान पर रख दूंगा. एंड सेकेंड टाइम मेरा एक पिगी बैंक था, विच वाज एयर इंडिया गुल्लक सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. तो मैंने उसको नीचे से काट पीट के उसमें से कॉइन निकाल के एक पेन पर लगाने वाले स्टिकर्स आते थे, उसको निकाल के उसमें से बंगाली मार्केट जाके वहां से वो एक सौंफ आती थी, सौंफ के अंदर वो स्टिकर्स आते थे. सो आई कलेक्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ देम. मेरे फादर कहीं यार ये आते कहाँ से, ये पैसे तो है नहीं. जिसे उन्होंने एक दिन पकड़ लिया और जो पिटाई हुई है, जो मार पड़ी है, और उसका हाथ हॉकी वाला था, तो नेशनल हॉकी प्लेयर. आशा मतलब this would meet here, and he used to slap very very hard. But very seldom speaker, बहुत कम बोलते थे, लेकिन very respected man in the modern school, and I grew up in his shadows, and all the discipline comes from there. And my mother, I am grateful to my parents that they allowed me to do what I wanted to do, and so I do it with my children. My Nandini and I got married through an arranged marriage from home, and she looks after the house, and she's got an event company, and I've got 2 grown-up kids. My son is 25, he's a professional football player, Ayushman Chaturvedi, and my daughter Navya, she's done her graduation in Greco-Roman mythology from Roehampton University in Greek language, and now preparing for a master's in linguistics. So it's so beautiful that you should allow people to do what they feel like, what they enjoy doing that. So, like I am working for this company.
Very true. Now, when you're saying that, that people should be allowed, so there are people who want, to give you, who want you to give them tips regarding, if they want to be a sportsman because you were a sportsman, they want you to give them tips for acting. So what is one thing, or, what is the thing that you want to give? What is the message that you want to give your fans and followers?
Actually, the first thing is that I'm working with this company called IITV Media, and we make films. Okay. That's my second job apart from doing MCs for events, as you know. Yeah. I work with the Honorable Prime Minister. I'm the Goodwill Ambassador to Ministry of Tribal Affairs at the Trifid office under Mr. Praveer Krishna. And I anchor shows. So, first of all, we should do only that thing which we feel enjoying, happy. Yeah. We look forward for the next day that, look, this is where I want to belong to. Like, you prepare for these lovely shows. So you enjoy doing it. That's why you're doing
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So never do something which you don't enjoy. Like I go to Prayas, the Institute for Juvenile Justice with Mr. Amod Khan to work with children who are requiring juvenile justice.
Okay.
And there's something which is beyond yourself.
Yeah.
And as a parent, as a father, I would say that never give your child a prescription कि तुमको यही करना है.
Right.
Please try and discover what those children want to do, because they've got their own thoughts.
Right.
If you read Khalil Gibran, you'll understand where I'm coming from. Is that आप उनसे तो पूछिए वो करना क्या चाहते.
Very true.
हम होते कौन है, अपनी मर्जी उनको.
Basically अपने दिल की सुनो, वही करो. What think about it. Think about the pros and cons of any situation or any anything which you want to do. हर चीज को नाप तोल के करो और जो भी करो दिल से करो. Because as you said, जो भी आप.
नहीं, I think there's a simpler version.
Yeah. Yeah.
दिल और दिमाग दोनों धोखा देता है.
Okay.
अगर आप अपनी आत्मा से if you go to your soul.
Okay.
And just try to read it कि मुझे this is what I am.
तो सोल पे जाने के लिए बहुत डीप जाना पड़ेगा. So basically पहले दिल. Okay.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. You just simply have to close your eyes and go inwards.
Got it, like. Okay.
ये करना है.
तो सुनो, so basically, right.
देखिए आशा, I'll keep it very simple to you. You got a nail in your hand, you got a hammer in the other one. आपके पास 4 दीवारें हैं. You got 4 walls. आपको किस दीवार पे ये कील ठोकने की, जिसमें आपको कील ठोक के मजा आएगा, दबा के ठोको.
Okay, great.
And go full steam. Once you've taken a decision, go ahead, full steam.
Very, very true. Like so we have got another tip from you कि किस तरह से करना है. अपने अंतरात्मा से सुनिए और अंतरात्मा जो कहती है वो सही कहती है. And I really want to thank you for coming on this show, for sharing your precious time and sharing all these wonderful things about your life, about your journey, and about about the things that we also want to know from you. So thank you so much, Abhinav ji. आप आए हमारे शो में and have a wonderful evening. It's just that we have little bit constraint of time because we have another.
No, I respect time. First of all, let me again thank you before closing down. Thank you. And thank you all the viewers for bearing me patiently.
And we will definitely come again. This is also possibly live या फिर इस कोरोना के बाद हम स्टूडियो में मिलेंगे, where we have a definite, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, एक बड़ा lengthy सा where about your experiences and everything we'll talk about. So thank you so much again.
Anytime.
And,
Thank you. Gratitude.
Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye.